making slime. My first time making microwave slime with only glue, salt, and water. And food coloring is really optional. The first thing you'll need is a bowl, spoon, salt, water, food coloring, again optional, and glue. Clear glue or white glue, it really doesn't matter. The first thing you're going to have is your bowl. Then you're going to put your glue there. By the way, guys, I need to mention that I'm testing this out because I saw it on YouTube and I don't know if it's gonna work. I hope it does. Yeah, I'm gonna save this a little tiny bit for I can make slime with Tide powder. It's also gonna be a test, and yeah. Okay. So once you have all your glue in there, what you want to do is. It says, I believe, you add water. Okay, that's okay. And then you mix that. Oh my god, this is really hard. Okay, then it says you add salt. So we're gonna just add salt. And it says to add it around it and don't mix it. So that's enough. I will be looking for a top to put it in. So I'm just gonna wash the top. Okay. So guys, I'm really not sure if this is gonna work or not because I saw it in clear glue edition. And yeah, so we have to top it. So that's good. And then you just place it in the microwave. This looks pretty good. Okay. So I'm gonna remove all the things that's in the way of the microwave. And then we're just gonna put it in. The microwave This is my mom's lunch. Okay, so let's place it in the microwave for about 1 minute. For about 2 minutes. Let me clean that. So about 2 minutes. And for about 2 minutes, I'm going to be making Tide slime. By the way, I'm going to be using the food coloring after it's done. So now we're going to make it with Tide. This little bit of glue I have left. And, whoopsies. I added a little bit because I didn't want it to be an ugly color. But yeah. I think I need a little bit more. That's definitely enough. Okay, so it's almost ready. The microwave. As you can hear the microwave. Sorry about that. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna get the Tide powder. So if the microwave stops, I'll come back. Okay? Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this is about enough that you need. So, yeah. So first, I don't even know if this is gonna work. Oh my god, that's a motorcycle. Sorry about that. Just a lot of people be riding motorcycles. First, I'm gonna put a pinch and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and okay, it's ready. Okay, so we're gonna do this when I'm done with the microwave slime. So I'll be back. Guys, it's gonna be really hot, so you need a rag or something. Okay, so yeah, then you just need to place it there for about 5 minutes. It's super hot. Ow, I burned myself. Okay, so I can see that this is not forming, so I think I need more Tide powder. 2 pinches Tide powder. Still, I'm gonna put the whole thing in. Oh, is this forming? Oh my god, I think I need more. I'll be back. Sorry that I need to be back, and then I'm back, and then I need to be back. It just, I have a lot of things going on in my mind. Be back. Okay, guys. So the kind of Tide powder I was using is this one. I don't know. It's Downy. I think that's about enough. Okay. Okay. This is more like a not good slime. It looks like foam ball, but it's really not. Oh my god. I don't know if this is slime or not, but it's definitely crunchy and all, so this was a fail. My first slime fail. Let me wash my hands. Ugh. By the way, guys, to let you know, since my microwave is so good that it could burn something. Okay, now I'm going to be using these tissues so I won't burn myself. Oh my god, it even burns with the tissues on it. Okay, so let's open this. Whoa, a lot of smoke is coming out. So I don't know if this was a fail or not, but it looks like it was a fail. You need to know if it is or not. So I'm going to add food color. Like I said, this looks like a fail. Okay. Where's the glue? Oh my gosh. That's a lot. That's a lot of food color. Well, whoopsies. Sorry about that. There's instructions for this outside. Okay, yeah, so this is a fail. I didn't see nothing. I don't know what was the problem. I mean, I added enough salt. And yeah, I don't know what's the problem. It's a pretty green though. So this was a fail. And that's how it looks like. It looks like it worked, but it's all liquid. Didn't work. So we're gonna have to add this on the. So this is a complete fail, guys. I'm so sorry it didn't work out. Okay, but I'm just gonna. Put that on, dump that in the sink. Okay. What's blocking it? Oh yeah, chicken noodle soup because her dumb brother. Okay, there you go. Smart. Now I'm just gonna rinse this sink out. Okay. And I like to clean dishes, so I'm gonna do that. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe. Whoever tapped my notifications, I will be giving you a shout out. And meanwhile, this slime gets hard. That hard. That's not really good. But just again, like, subscribe, and yeah. Next, I'll be doing the Taki challenge. Bye. Love you.